What's going on? This is MT Roadside coming back at you with another video. It's a little sunny outside, but it's also cool today, man. 66 degrees. If you know us Floridians, we don't like the cold weather. But let me show you guys what I'm getting into today. So we got this battery here, which this is a 2021 Audi A5 that we're gonna put a battery in. But the problem is the customer bought the wrong battery, which you can see this is actually bigger than what he got in his car. And he actually got two Audi, man, nice cars. So let me show you what he got in his car. This one is the auxiliary battery that's here. So we're not gonna be changing this. We're gonna be changing this battery. The one that's in his garage over there, that one is an H8. This one here is an H6. So we need to get an H6 AGM battery for this car because that big one won't work. So I'm going to swap out the battery for him. He just need to call Advance Auto so I can get the permission to swap it out with the receipt instead of him just waiting. He did call roadside assistance for it, but we technically not supposed to, but I'm going to do it for him. Also, I have to register this battery too as well. Anything that's 2018 and up on an Audi, these Mercedes, I believe, especially BMWs, you have to do a battery registration. So hopefully I can get a new battery for him with the exchange with this receipt and come back and install it. I'll show you guys how. All right, so I just made it back to his house with the right battery. We're gonna go ahead and get that started now. All right, so I'm here with Oscar. This is his vehicle with the Audi. I'm gonna change his battery for him. The first thing what we need to do is these bolts here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got to take those off so we can get, this is basically the hold down. Well, this is the hold down. This is what holds the spare. So we're gonna take that off, set you guys up.
When we come out, we opened the trunk and we saw the side, and he said, "Oh, I can fix that."
So, okay, so we're gonna have to show you. Even though we got these here off, those bolts there, and these here, we still got to take these off too, because you got another bolt underneath there to get that off. So I got to take that off, and that looks like a 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. So where are you from? Argentina? Nice. It used to be nice.
The politicians, they killed everywhere they go.
Oh,
Those people there, they all leave.
you can say that about here too.
That's right. They all the same. They all the same. I hate the president. He's a crook.
Everybody got their own opinion, and I don't get too much in it. So there are certain things that I like, certain things that I don't like.
I tell you, when I came here to this country, I was young. I was pretty young. You know, I learned to cut meat with my father. And when I told him that I want to come to the United States, he said, "Well, look, think about it. Make sure you really want to go, and you can go." He said, "Try to get a job in the butcher shop
Oh, okay.
to get something that you." I tell you, he was right. He said, "You know what? He come from Italy. He was a real working, you know."
Yeah, hard to get people like that these days.
And he told me, he said, "With everything I show you, you're gonna be hungry nowhere, no matter where you go.
Yeah,
You gotta be in a meat."
yeah. We got the hold down part off and the spare part here. The hold down is over here. All those was 13. This part right here was 10, which this foam. And there's another hold down, which that bolt, it was holding that to let everything off. So now I'm gonna take off the drain plug, off the battery. Still gonna use that for the new battery. These two here are 10s. We're gonna take that off. As you can see that the battery is already loose because we already took the hold down off. So I'm gonna loosen that up and take the battery out.
What I want to tell you about Trump, when I get the job, there was a Jewish guy, very nice, two brothers, old people. One of them had two daughters. There was involved with one office in the street, big shop, you know. lawyers. They was working in that place. And in that time, that's why motherfucker, the president. You know, building a casino in New Jersey. New Jersey, yeah. He's from New York.
Yeah, no, that part.
But he was building a casino, and I tell you, I went to the casino when they was in trouble already because the girls don't. It was with those two guys, and they make them. Matter of fact, they get married, you know.
Yeah.
And they tell what they think they told apart. And you know what he do? He bought marble, you know, in Italy. Marble, you know, marble and the very rich.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Marble walls and the kitchens, you know. So these guys spend, you know, how many million with statues. They have when you into the casino, no, unbelievable. You know how many million people in Italy? Now, Italy is one of the countries in the world to buy that kind of stuff, you know.
Yeah.
And they'll fucking pay a penny. He was playing, and then he was working in the casino maybe for about 2 years. And we went, he go bankrupt. A penny.
So we got the new battery in, which you can see the old battery here. I already put one of the back in, got it all tightened up. I just need to put the phone back in and where the spare tires back in as well.
Well, it's good when you know this issue.
Yeah, sometimes it
That's why I want to keep your mind. I want to keep your. It's better than. I spoke to the dealer with the dealer. They're towing.
Oh yeah.
I said, I don't know. He said, no, but you can the car. I said, I know I cannot drive the car, but if I get somebody who put the
battery in.
they're going to drive. But I tell you, it's unbelievable, but they don't know. The first thing I told them, I said, what you would say to somebody who can change the battery?
You saying your provider?
And
Your
I got insurance, but the car just expired.
You say he's a what?
Expired, you know,
Oh, expired. Gotcha.
and I have problem with the car.
That's fine.
You need this?
Not yet.
Okay.
If you can just film me while I'm doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll work. So tightening down, back, hold down where we put spare at. Like I said, those are 13s. Already got the battery in. Just tightening up everything. And you say this car is a 21, right?
This one?
Yeah, 21. So last year, which down here in Florida, that's normal. That's normal.
But I've been lucky because I took the car time that I had to serve, you know, I took it to,
Yeah. Well, you wanted it.
and I wanted to take it, but first of all, how can I get there?
Yeah.
If he maybe can get there,
Yeah.
but I wasn't sure that we can do it, you know.
Yeah. I get
I
it.
told the lady that I spoke before, I said, you don't have to send me a towing or anything. If nothing is broke, it's the, you know, when I moved, my wife parked it in the, and I was parking at 5 o'clock in the morning. I got the car and I put it on and it start, you know, but in minutes, stop.
So got the new battery in. Everything's looked just like it was when I took it out. I'm gonna put the spare back in, which is right here, and then we got to do the registration on it. So you said you had for about what, like 4 years? Yeah, the car's a 21. Yeah, it's a 21.
Yeah.
You're fine. So you got 4 year. This is a 4-year replacement as well. So if anything happens to the battery, you can take it back to AutoZone. Not AutoZone, Advance. I'm sorry.
You mean to who? To a dealer?
To Advance. They can check it, but won't install it for you. But you can call me. I can come back and install it. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
So let's close that.
Got my number, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Send me your name, your phone number. I want to make sure that I put them on a book there.
Oh, okay.
I have a little that I can put important things, special for the house, you know, for
Yeah.
it's better.
All right. Is your door open?
Yeah.
Oh, so I gotta go in the car.
Oh, wait a minute.
I gotta go inside the car and register the battery to the car. Okay. We're gonna register them to the car. All right. Let me find this. So what I'm gonna do right now is go to my battery management on my programmer and register the battery to the car. If I don't register the battery to the car is gonna think the battery is not working properly, think that's the old battery. Yeah, it's gonna think it's the old battery, so it's gonna shut down quicker than what it's supposed to. So we're gonna do that now.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
My name is Maverick.
Like Maverick.
Gun?
The
Yep.
movies.
Yeah, you.
Because I used to watch TV.
Oh, the show?
The show.
Yeah, just uploading the his car information, and like I say, 2018s and up, you have to do a registration on these cars. Otherwise, your battery that you put in is going to be dead, probably within that year.
Which one?
Yeah, the
battery?
new one. Yeah, don't do this. That battery going to be dead within a year, because it's going to think that the old battery is still in the car.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you do. Wow, there's something, huh? I guess that battery you're gonna still don't drive too much, you know.
Yeah. All right. You right?
I
Okay.
think
I'm gonna turn the car on.
you want it? Yeah,
Yes, sir. Oh, thank you.
that's good.
Oh, yeah. Battery is dead. Hey, all right. So we just registered the battery, which you can see. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right here. That has been adapted, transferred. So now that we got his battery transferred, the new battery installed, he should be good, and did pay me for it. So yeah, we're all set. So he's for another 4 years. The battery got a 4-year warranty. So this wasn't insurance. So like I said, these are add-ons. All right, sir, you're